Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shrimp fettuccine. You will need 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, 1 box of fettuccine, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 shallot, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of white wine, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and fresh parsley to garnish. To a large pot of water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then bring your water to a boil. Now add the fettuccine and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, turn off the heat, then drain the water and set it aside until later. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add your shrimp. Now season the shrimp with the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Allow your shrimp to cook for 3 minutes, then remove them from the frying pan and set them aside until later. To the same pan, add your butter, then saute the shallot for 1 minute. Now add the garlic and continue to cook for an additional minute. Now pour in your wine, then your heavy cream, then bring to a light simmer. Now add your Parmesan cheese. Return the shrimp to the pan, then add the fettuccine and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, garnish with your parsley, then it is ready to serve. If you're looking for an easy weeknight dinner, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.